New functionality has been added to the Review in Context module. This functionality is configured under the Administration Settings page. For new applications, the Apply Same Tags feature is now disabled by default. The feature allows users to simultaneously tag multiple documents once they are all viewed, but it now requires activation by a case manager, who can enable the feature under the General settings. As a case manager, you can now configure the color coding of documents in Review in Context by assigning colors to fields and values. You can also define which fields and values get priority, as only one color shows for each document in Review in Context. To configure the color coding, click on the Color Coding option. To add a field for color coding, click Add Color Coding Rule, and then select the field. From the All Values drop-down, select the value or values that would apply the color change, and from the color icon, select the color. You can also change an existing color code simply by clicking on the color. To apply the changes, click Apply. While reviewing documents in Review in Context, users can now modify the sort order of review groups in the review group list.